Hello, and welcome to our geometric art tutorial. Today, we're going to create a stunning mesh pattern on a square. This design is not only visually appealing, but also a great way to enhance your geometric drawing skills. Let's get started. Firstly, let's prepare our canvas. Take an A3 paper and with an HB pencil, gently mark its center. This will be the starting point of our geometric pattern. Now, measure and mark a point 12 centimeters above and another 12 centimeters below the center point. Accuracy is key here to ensure our design is symmetrical. Using two set squares aligned with the top marked point, let's now identify our first corner, the top right, which we will call point B. This technique ensures perfect right angles. Similarly, from the bottom marked point, let's identify the bottom right corner, known as point C. These points will help frame our design. Next, using point C as a guide, we'll mark our left bottom corner, point D. Continuing, use point B to mark the top left corner, point E. Now, we have all four corners of our square. With our corners set, it's time to draw. Using a 0.8mm technical pen, connect these points to form a perfect 24 cm square. This pen will give us a clean, sharp line. Let's focus on corners B and D. Mark intervals of 1 centimeter on the first 20 centimeters of the sides, starting from these corners. These marks are crucial for our mesh pattern. From corner C, draw straight lines to each marked point on the adjacent side. This step begins to create the intricate mesh effect. Continue this process, connecting points to C, shifting one mark aside with each line. This creates a beautiful overlapping pattern. Repeat this drawing process for corner E, connecting it systematically to the front side points. Do the same for corners C and E on the opposite sides. This symmetry will enhance the mesh effect. With the mesh pattern in place, erase all the pencil markings on the sides. This will clean up your artwork, making it look neat and professional. Now, let's bring the design to life with color. Using a black technical pen, start coloring between the lines. The contrast of black against the white paper will make your design pop. Color systematically, skipping one row after each completed line. This technique adds depth and dimension to the mesh. In the second half of your design, remember to skip coloring the central mesh. Keep it white and continue the pattern. This creates a stunning visual contrast. And there you have it, your very own geometric mesh artwork. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative art tutorials. Happy drawing!